Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create SEO content using Surfer AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So without wasting much time, we need to discuss about many things in this aspect. So the first thing is going to the official website of Surfer AI. So you need to simply go to the official website of Surfer AI. Now, once you're in the official website of Surfer AI, you need to start by content editor by entering the main keyword to get a data driven brief. Now, after you have done this, you can use the Write with AI option to generate a draft. After this, you can simply refine the outline and content based on Surfer's real time score, suggested terms, and topic before final human editing and publishing for better search engine performance. So this is how you can simply create SEO content using Surfer AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.